Hello, I'm Dr. Priscilla, the founder of Speak Excellent English. Today, we're going to read and discuss the article, Woman Helps Dogs. This is a level 1 article. It is from News in Levels. Here in the picture, we can see that there is a picture of a dog, and the dog is on what one would consider a wheelchair. This is a dog wheelchair. Number 2 is a wheelchair for humans, where the human would sit their body down in the chair and it has wheels. The dog's wheelchair, which is number 1, has wheels also. The next thing I want you to look at is picture number 3, and it is a shelter for dogs. This is where a lot of dogs live, but they are in cages and maybe open areas for some, but they are in some type of enclosure, which is why it is called a dog shelter. It is a place where dogs can go and they will be protected from the rain, the snow, the storms, things of that nature. Let's read the article now, paying very close attention to the punctuation. If you look at the punctuation will guide your reading. You will pause for 3 seconds at periods and 2 seconds for commas. This news is about dogs. Cars hit the dogs. Some dogs are then paralyzed. These dogs need help. A woman from Peru helps them. She has a dog shelter. She helps 50 dogs. 6 of the dogs are in wheelchairs. The dog shelter makes no money, but it needs money. It must buy food, toys, and wheelchairs for the dogs. People give money to the dog shelter. The difficult words in this article are paralyzed. This is when you cannot move a part of your body. Dog shelter. A safe place for dogs who need help. Wheelchair. A chair which can move. Paralyzed people use this. The dogs have something like this too. Now I ask if you could take a moment and answer these questions. Pause the video if you need to and answer the questions. Are the dogs in this article able to walk properly? Why are the dogs not able to walk properly? What does the word paralyzed mean? What is a dog shelter? If you answer these questions and send me your response or post your response, I will contact you for a free class. My Skype ID will be posted. Here's the dialogue. I will read as student 1, if you will read as student 2. Woman helps dogs dialogue. 1, 2, 3. Hello, how are you today? Did you read the article today? Really? Can we discuss the article? I think someone would need a wheelchair because of an inability to stand. What do you think about this explanation? Do you think the dog with bad legs would enjoy using a wheelchair? The article used the word paralyzed. What does the word paralyzed mean? Thank you for participating in this activity today. If you would like your own session with Dr. Priscilla, please respond to me and I will call you for your free class. Bye for now. I am Dr. Priscilla, the founder of Speak Excellent English.